Hey, how you doing? I found a very exciting recipe in this book. It's for pretend puke. It's gonna make you gag. Let me show you how to do it. You need 3 tablespoons of water. Add it to a bowl. And a 1/3 cup applesauce. Stir that together. We're gonna stick it in the microwave 1 to 2 minutes until really hot. Add a whole pack of unflavored gelatin and a 1/2 teaspoon of instant coffee. Give it a stir. Mix in a tablespoon of oats and a tablespoon of mixed vegetables. And plop that vomit onto some parchment paper. Blech. This will need refrigerated 3 to 4 hours. It's gonna be good. Yuck! Now it is all set and it's ready to come off the paper. Look at that. Put it down on the counter or on the floor, not carpeted, ready to spook somebody and get them all grossed out. Disgusting. Why did the ghost stop studying? He was too cool for school. Oh my goodness. Now I'm not gonna lie, this is really cool. You gotta try it.